$1.5 million.
Yo, just chilling here with my buddy. Welcome back to the vlog, ladies and gentlemen. You only see this kind of shit over here, baby.
What do you mean calm down? You look too much.
Alright, so we're in the shop now. As you can see, the car looks a lot different than your standard Z. And that's because we just gutted everything out. Cut the body in a lot of places just to lose weight, just to get rid of anything we don't need. And since the last update, the boys have cut all of this out, so the wheel's gonna be here. This has been gutted. Firewall has been cut as well, like the first one here. This one's staying. Also created this, so that is what the window, plexiglass window is going to be connected to. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 16 pins in total. And then we got the back here that we've added just to, you know, brace it up a little bit more. Make sure that the whole car is strong and tight. So this is what the car looks now. We're gonna move it to the side because, as you can see, the guys here are building another lift, so they're gonna place one here. Want to give them some space, and we're actually gonna lift it like on our own manpower. This thing should be pretty light. We'll see. All right, so we got the car moved, and that camera is gonna be an issue with sound. Very nice. My camera needs earplugs. Grinding, welding, banging, cutting. We're running out of pipes, and we're just thinking about how to get this pipe connected over here. Oh, that's hot. This has been welded. So we're gonna put one that runs over here. This used to be one of the heat shields, so you know, part of the firewall. So we're gonna move that pipe over around here, connect these two so they're strengthened, and then connect that single pipe that goes around to this bar here.
They make ready.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
So right now what the guys are doing, we're welding the body together, making sure everything is tighter than it was before, welding all the creases everywhere we cut, everywhere there was a bit of silicone. Make sure you connect all of that part together, make the whole chassis stronger than it ever was. And then anything we cut, we need to smooth out. So the guys are just smoothing so you can touch it, you don't hurt yourself and bleed.
Blood.
After that, we're gonna have rubber gaskets on top of that, you know, just to be super safe. We don't want to hurt anyone, we don't want to hurt ourselves.
Oh, hello. How are we doing? I said this must be a world record for cutting the most amount of panels off a car. Has to be.
And putting the cage in like
I'm
this.
putting a cage in. There's no Z in the world that looks like this. None. I'm fairly sure, and I was saying this to Salah, people probably don't even know that they can go this far with chopping up a Z.
Yeah, I didn't know we could go this far with chopping up a Z.
Hatta he didn't know.
No, either did you?
Cutting the car is the easy part. Making everything fit back
Why is car on fire?
where you want it. I'm sure everything is gonna fit exactly where we found it.
Are we gonna remember where we found it?
That's not my job. I didn't take it apart.
You can come to me, don't worry about it.
Yeah, no, I'll figure it out, don't worry.
The
Worst case scenario.
sooner we do this, the faster we do this, the easier it's going to be, because we're not going to forget where everything fits, because it's just a few days back.
The mounts for the front chassis, or sorry, the front subframe and the rear are literally just here. The rest is pretty much non-existent.
Well, we're worried about the shock towers. If I would design this car the way I'm designing it now, before we wanted to keep the sides of the fenders, and then we figured out why hide, you know, what the motor looks like, see part of the intake, and the engine will look all, you know, painted and pretty. So we went this route. But if I was going to do this from the get-go, I would have come with a bar straight like this and down here, and tie everything together, and then cut all of this stuff that I don't need. But
Oh, for now we're basically doing the same.
I think this looks prettier.
We're doing the same, just in reverse,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Well, now it's wider over here. It could have been narrower, but I still like it. I think it's nice. So we're gonna cut all this lip off. So basically, you're just gonna see this and then the suspension.
Yeah.
So none of the ugly is gonna stay.
It feels so weird that there's a hole in like both sides of the car. You know, like in the front.
And especially, you know, we're gonna paint the wheels to make them pop. And when you turn, especially with the angle kit, you're gonna see the whole wheel. It's gonna be weird. I like it.
Well, listen, worst case scenario, if this falls apart, we'll just go out and buy, well, actually, he'll go out and buy a new one.
God damn it, I'm not buying another.
I hope that this thing is going to be like a legend when it comes to these cars, and it's going to participate in events from now till it turns into dust. I think it's going to be worth the time and money for sure.
And the effort, you know,
I mean,
like
where can you get a car that's completely built from scratch? I mean, other than the floor of the car, everything else is made, you know. So it's cool. It's a one-off for sure.
if you want to buy this car, $1.5 million. Here's the guy that actually knows how to drift BRZ. Check out his Instagram. He has a Subaru BRZ. Of course. If you can imagine.
Yo, just chilling here with my buddy.
and yeah, he's gonna teach me as well how to do some drifts.
Gotta teach this guy.
And you might have seen him actually on a video I posted a while back. Anyways, thanks for coming, supporting us.
Sure, bro. Of course.
Would you like to say anything?
Follow me.
Perfect. That's exactly what I always say. 1.5 million.
Stop. Have a time.
My hand.
I'm not touching your hand.
Relax.
Is that the barbecue the car?
Don't mess up my work. Here, hold this. Wood. You go too much, man. You go too much. What do you mean come down? You go too much. Push it back up.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Okay,
No. This is all because we want to keep you safe.
You think I'm a bad driver, don't you?
We just want to keep you safe. Why is that my car again on fire?
Why is car on fire?
Hold it down like this. When the car come to me, don't worry about that and make fire only. Go wiring mechanic. You come to me, don't worry about it. All.
Usually in newer cars, the weakest point is the arms and the stuff that can break off when you have a wreck, like if you hit a curb or something. But since we cut up the car so much, we have to make it strong again. So if it goes through any kind of impact, it will only take off the arms.
Just the fact that Osama might be a reasonable driver. We just want to keep him safe.
Yeah. We'll have a big L sign also in the back.
Screw you guys.
There was a little change of plan. We were gonna go a piece from here to here and then plug it this way, but we made this and it worked. As you can see, it's always in the middle of the pipe. Even here, we had to tack weld it, bang it down to where we want it, tack it again. It was a process. And then we plugged it here. Now everything is tied to this tower. Nothing is moving. All of this is gonna be closed up. Close all the unnecessary openings that we have. We're gonna seam weld all of this together. Every panel you see on top of another panel is gonna be seam welded. So it's really strong and rigid. We're looking forward to finishing this pretty soon because we're tired of sparks and we're tired of cutting.
Being burnt.
Yes.
That's for damn sure.
This was a pretty big deal to finish this today. We try to finish one side so the guys can maybe duplicate the other side easier. If you look over here, now we don't have anything. Like if you see a side profile of the car, you don't see anything. You'll just see the top arm You've seen the full arm and the full suspension. It's gonna bring out the mechanism of the whole machine. You know, a little car that's made to fight.
And on that note, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Take care. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later.
Hey, if you don't tell your friends about this, you're a hater. Tell everybody. Tell everybody, okay? None of this nonsense. This is what's happening, and this is what counts.
Don't be a hater later.